In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook Messenger messages issue. So if you have any problem with the messages in your Messenger, this tutorial is going to help you. First thing, go to the settings, go to the apps, wait a few seconds, and after you wait a few seconds, now search for Messenger like this. Click on force stop, and after that click on data user. Make sure that all these options are enabled. Click on permissions. Make sure also to enable all the permissions. Go back to the settings, go to the wireless and networks, enable the airplane mode for 6 seconds and disable it. Don't forget to like, subscribe.